Karma Guy here. If you're on the hunt for a low-mileage gem, don't miss the 2016 Hyundai Veloster Coupe. With only 35,000 miles and a recent major service valued over $1,100, this car is ready to go. This vehicle is dealer-certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, with a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. You can even choose our lifetime warranty upgrade for added peace of mind. Recent service includes new tires, spark plugs, front brake pads, and a fresh oil change. We're all about transparency. This car has passed its GA emissions test and comes with original books and keys. We encourage pre-purchase inspections so you can buy with confidence. Ready to drive a like-new car with a worry-free warranty? Reach out today before it's gone.